Hi, so December is around the corner, and I just wanted to share with you a little bit of my financial tips, so to say, or a little plan to work around December to avoid the dreaded January disease. So, the thing with December is that, things are exciting, a lot of money spent, people get carried away, you go on holiday, you see lots of people. There's a lot to buy. Shiny, bright lights and red lights. Christmas this, Christmas that. I'm not saying do not celebrate and have fun. Yes, have fun, but it's just good to have a little bit of a plan. So the first thing to know is that marketing departments are already prepared for you before your money even gets near your account. And a lot of you are going to get paid a little bit earlier than usual. So my main advice to you, I'm going to share a really important tip later on and a little something that might help. But the first thing to just get into your mind is to try and live your life the way you normally would in a normal, regular month, right? So for instance, if you get paid, you have a bond or you rent or you live with your parents or whatever, but you know your expense and you know your income. If you're getting a bonus, then fine. Then look at it and say, okay, I've got this much from my bonus. I can spend a little bit extra on this. Or if you've got savings aside, which is perfect case scenario, right? I love people who have savings. So if you've got savings aside and you know, okay, this is how much I can spend. So do a little December budget, a special one just for December. And that way, when you get your money, whether you get a bonus or whatever, because sometimes what would tend to happen is you get your normal salary and your bonus or something of that sort. You see a big amount in your bank balance, but lots of money extra. But in reality, some of that money is from January. So first thing to know, your November salary is usually spent on December expenses for the majority of people. Your December salary is spent on January expenses. So if you get your bonus end of November, right, then you can use that for your travels in December and so forth. If you get paid on the 15th or 14th of December, which is what happens with a lot of people. So a lot of people will get paid on the 14th or the 15th and they'll start spending. And then by the time they get to the 25th, it's like, I've already spent most of the money. Now they start eating into the January expense money. Then when it gets to January, people are getting loans and all sorts of unhealthy things. So first things first, November salary is for December expenses. December salary is for January expenses. So don't touch that, even if you get paid early. If your employer is flexible, what we like to do with our staff is we'll ask them, like, when would you prefer to get paid? Get paid on your normal date, 25th or whatever, or get, the special December salary that comes in earlier. So if you can arrange with your employer to get paid on the 25th of December, that's going to be awesome, because now you don't have to worry too much about allocating, because you're receiving your money close to when you need to spend it. But if you're getting paid early, just ignore that money. This is what I like to say. You must enjoy looking at that balance in your bank account. Don't look at it and be like, I need to let go of this, give it to someone else. That money looks beautiful in your account. You must enjoy that beauty with those big, flashy numbers. So keep that money in your account until the time to spend it comes. If it's for January, then you wait until January and then you spend it. Some people will pay, a lot of maybe they might pay their rent early as well. But whatever you can do, pay your children's school fees on the 14th of December for January if you have to. But that's the main key, right? So match your income to this expenditure time, even if you're receiving the income earlier. Now, the bonus point that I wanted to share with you. This is really I've always liked this idea. I've never been able to execute it, but if you can, I think this will be absolutely awesome. So, try and not spend at all in December. So just have normal time, a little bit of Christmas, but no hectic going on holiday, any of that. but postpone your holiday and your extra spending to January, because you're going to get lots of discounts in January. There are going to be lots of specials. Shops will be trying to clear stuff that they didn't manage to sell. And rather, think of a business idea. Some people would sell like flowers, Christmas gifts, that sort of thing. I don't know, do an Uber business in drive with your car during the December period, because there's going to be a lot of money going around because people want to spend, right? So get some of that money that people are spending, get it for yourself, right? So instead of being a spender, be an earner during the festive period, and then come the beginning of the year, you've got money to then spend on much cheaper goods and services, because things are going to be discounted, so you can, you know, get more for your buck. So you get more value that way. If you can pull that off, that would be absolutely awesome. I know people are doing all sorts of stuff, take a lot, whatever, because there's a lot of money to be gotten out there. So if you spend the time into researching and getting a few business ideas going that can work for you, absolutely awesome. But just please, if there's nothing else that you get from this video, make sure you match your spending to the income so that you don't find yourself with general disease. Okay? Cheers. Bye.